I tested out this, and over several months came to a conclusion. It was not the right size to replace coffee cups, but it is very well to do bowls and storage lidded containers and lunch and leftovers. So it's multi-purpose. Microwave, freezer, dishwasher, and oven safe, which makes it less stressful of a container. Has a microwave lid. We don't own a microwave at home, but my husband has one at his work. So he'll bring leftovers and be able to heat it up. And it's pretty good depth in there. So overall, it replaces 2 out of 3 dishes into one. And I'm very happy with it. So I bought 4 more online, and we'll have 5 and be letting go of bowls and the smaller storage containers. Saving money, making room in my house.